I have been looking for a good quality studio monitor for around a month. I tried asking in the pre-loved forum for the SD6XX and SD580X, K702, K7XX. I had the K7XS, which was not exactly good. I find that to be slightly on the less livelier side. Then I decided, uh, let's buy a new one. Why not buy a new one? This video might be slightly on the scratchier side because I'm using the wide angle lens here, so it might have some uh, grain grains in this because of the lower quality of the wide angle lens, but bear with me. This is supposed to be the ATH MSR 7B. I looked into the net and I find this to be a fascinating one. The closed back, I do not have to worry about sound leaking or anything, and I got a nice deal on it. The deal was not exactly bad, so I'm slightly skeptical whether this is the unused one or not. It's retailing on Amazon India for 15,000 rupees and on Flipkart for 13,000 rupees, and it's a very good headphone, to be precise. I find this to be very good. The balanced design. It comes with two cables. Is it sealed? No, it's not exactly sealed. It is, yeah, sealed. Okay, sealed, but there is slight bit of damage to it. Let's see what is the retail price. Okay, retail price is 23,000. uh, China, made in China. April, I do not worry about these things, but yeah, that's fine. It is supposed to come with two cables, one 3.5 mm and one Pentacon. Let's open it up. It's supposed to come with a carry case too. A carry case, if not case, a pouch, a carry pouch. Okay, let's look at some of the specification. 45 mm dynamic driver, 101 dB. Anything else? 5 to 50 kHz. We cannot hear beyond 20, so that's irrelevant. Doesn't matter. There is supposed to be a pouch of 1.2 m cable, 4.4, and a 1.2 m 3.5 headphones. A to DC connectors. These don't have universal connectors. These are ATH proprietary connectors. Let's see. Okay, this is sealed too. Nice. Now I would like to believe that this is not a used one because I was slightly skeptical about it as the price was on the lower side. Nice, not bad. Ah, good. The cables are inside. This is the balanced cable, 4.4, and there's some other documentation in here. Where's the 3.5 mm cable? Just documentation and some BSF. Doesn't matter. Wow. So this doesn't have a does it not really? There is supposed to be a another cable here. No, there is only one cable here. Two cable. No, it only has a balanced cable. Yeah, that's why the reduced price here, I think. Man, that is kind of a blunder I'm seeing here, but the headphone is in very good condition nevertheless. I'll ask Amazon for exchange or refund maybe, but let's see. This is the headphone. This is the balanced cable. Or where is the demarcation of left right? Is if there is any, yeah, inside, on the inside. Or nice build quality. The padding is nice. Build quality is fairly similar to the M50X, which I hated, but I still have faith in Audio Technica. This is good nevertheless. Nice clicky sound, like the pads. Just the cable is missing. Yeah, that's a horrible thing, but there's a good looking headphone. And horrible image quality. Build quality is nice. Let me talk with Amazon and see if I can get a replacement on this. I'll be comparing it with HM100 from Brainwaves and SRH 440. SD380 Pro that I have does not have a pad on it. It will take more than a month to arrive, so I'll be stuck with SRH 440 comparison. Thank you for watching, guys. If you bothered watching this horrible quality video, have a nice day. Enjoy.